Ginton Camping Cutting Board. Tired of bulky camp kitchens? Introducing the Ginton Camping Cutting Board. It solves outdoor cooking hassles. This 9-in-1 design is more than just a board. You get a colander for washing veggies directly at the campsite. The stainless cutter resists rust, giving you years of reliable service. Imagine prepping a whole meal with just one tool. You can chop, slice, and wash everything on the spot, saving space and time. It's crafted from top-grade material, free from odors, cracks, and easy cleaning. This board truly simplifies camp cooking. Turn outdoor food prep into pleasure with portability and durability. It's kitchen convenience for outdoor adventures, period. Essential for outdoor chef. Kitchen-safe, time-locking container. Struggling to stick to healthy habits? It's tough when tempting snacks are always within reach. The kitchen-safe time-locking container could be your answer. It's designed to help you build better habits by controlling access to those temptations. You set a timer, up to 10 days, and the container stays locked until then. This helps resist cravings, limit phone use, or manage medication. Imagine prepping healthy meals and knowing you won't be tempted to snack between them. It's not just a container. It's about taking control. Now, picture consistently healthier choices, less screen time, and a genuine sense of accomplishment. This empowers you to overcome bad habits and live a healthier, more balanced life. Banya Watermelon Cutter. Dealing with watermelon mess? I love watermelon, but slicing it always feels like a chore. Sticky counters, uneven pieces. The Banya Watermelon Cutter solves that. This 3-in-1 tool lets you slice perfect cubes easily. It has a built-in fork for serving and even makes popsicles. Imagine this, no more struggling with knives. Just press and you get uniform slices ready to eat. The sharp blade makes clean cuts every time, even on cantaloupe. No waste, no mess, just easy, healthy snacks in seconds. Perfect for camping too. So quick, even my kids can make their own watermelon snacks. Spend less time prepping, more time enjoying. The Banya Watermelon Cutter. Simple, fast fruit prep. ThermoMaven Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Ever worry about overcooking expensive steaks? The ThermoMaven solves that. It's a smart, wireless meat thermometer that takes the guesswork out of grilling. The base shows real-time temps, no app needed. One-click setup makes cooking simple. Its sub-1G tech offers long-range tracking, so you can relax 700 feet away, even with walls. Get alerts on your phone when your meat reaches perfection. No more babysitting the grill. Imagine perfectly cooked, juicy roasts every single time. It ensures consistent results, preventing dry or undercooked food. Enjoy stress-free cooking and delicious meals. You'll feel confident serving incredible food. A Mite Chef Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lid Set. Ever struggle with messy meal prep? Ingredients sliding everywhere? The A Mite Chef Mixing Bowls solve that. These stainless steel bowls come with airtight lids. You can prep ingredients, store leftovers, and say goodbye to spills. Plus, 3 grater attachments are included. Imagine shredding cheese directly into the bowl. So easy. No more counter messes when mixing. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep everything steady. These bowls stay put, preventing sliding, which saves cleanup time. Prep, serve, and store all in one set. Less clutter, less waste, and more time to enjoy your meal. Streamlining your kitchen workflow is now simple. Yigi 3-Pack Adhesive Cabinet Organizer. Juggling lids and containers a kitchen nightmare? Introducing the Yigi 3-Pack Adhesive Cabinet Organizer. It sticks inside your cabinets, instantly creating space. You get organized spice racks, tidy utensils, and gadget storage right where you need them. This organizer handles Tupperware lids, small baking sheets, bathroom toiletries, and more. Imagine opening your cabinets to find everything neat and accessible, saving you precious time each morning. The durable stainless steel design withstands daily use, offering a lasting solution to cluttered spaces. Transform your kitchen from chaos to calm. More space, less stress, better mornings. Omaya Dish Soap Dispenser. Isn't it annoying constantly grabbing for dish soap? The Omaya dispenser solves that. It mounts right on your sink. This 2-in-1 dispenser holds your sponge and soap. You get soap with each press. It makes washing so much easier, you know? No more messy drips or cluttered counters. It holds plenty of soap, up to 8.5 ounces. Refilling is super easy and infrequent. Imagine a tidy sink area, always ready for dish duty. No more soap bottle clutter. Excess water drains away. The Omaya dispenser transforms your kitchen sink into an organized space. It simplifies dishwashing, saving you time and frustration. Livin Bat-Cat ambidextrous scissors. Ever struggle cutting things in the kitchen? Meat, veggies, even tough packaging can be a pain. The Livin Bat-Cat ambidextrous scissors are here to solve that. These scissors are designed for everyone, righties or lefties, with oversized handles. The roomy design fits all 4 fingers comfortably. Plus, they feature a silicone lining. That means no more finger discomfort, even with extended use. The durable stainless steel blades effortlessly cut through vegetables and meat. Imagine quickly prepping ingredients, no struggling. It's an easier, smoother experience. These scissors will simplify food prep. MagGrip Magnetic Spice Jars Grip. Is spice cabinet chaos driving you crazy? Spices lost in the back? Always searching? The MagGrip Magnetic Spice Jars Grip offers a simple fix. These grips let you use your own 1.7 to 2-inch jars. Just slip them on, no messy transfers needed. You can stick your spice jars to the fridge or under cabinets. This keeps spices visible and frees up counter space. It makes cooking faster and more organized. Imagine spices right where you need them. No more digging or wasted time. The MagGrip turns spice chaos into an organized space, saving you time and effort daily. Fullstar, the original Pro Chopper. Ever spend too much time chopping veggies? The Fullstar Pro Chopper is here to help. It quickly dices, slices, and minces food with almost no effort. Just put the ingredients in, press down, and watch it work. You'll drastically cut your prep time, especially when you're making big meals. It's perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. The rust-resistant stainless steel blades stay sharp. If you want to eat healthier but don't have lots of time, this makes meal prep easier and faster. Imagine spending less time chopping and more time enjoying delicious, healthy meals. This chopper simplifies everything. Trend Plain Olive Oil Spray Bottle. Are you tired of greasy salads and uneven cooking? The Trend Plain Olive Oil Spray Bottle solves that. It gives you a controlled, fine mist every time. This bottle lets you spray or pour, keeping your kitchen cleaner. You'll love how easily it helps control oil. You get more even cooking and less mess. Imagine perfectly dressed salads, evenly coated pans for baking, and grilling without excess oil. It offers precise control. Using the spray bottle transforms meal prep. It makes healthier cooking easier and delivers consistent results. The Trend Plain bottle truly helps you streamline your kitchen and control portions. Banya Jar Opener Bottle Opener. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? The Banya Jar Opener is here to help. It's designed for a secure grip, making opening jars much easier. You get leverage without the hand strain. This 7-in-1 tool opens jars, bottles, even wine. The retractable design adapts to various lid sizes. From small condiment jars to larger pickles, it handles most. Plus, it includes a can opener and ring pull opener. Imagine easily accessing your favorite sauces. The Banya opener makes kitchen tasks quick and painless. It's a simple tool delivering significant convenience daily. VOCO Digital Kitchen Timer. Struggling to juggle dishes? Overcooked pasta again? The VOCO Digital Kitchen Timer solves that. It's super easy to use. Just rotate to set the time, even for kids and seniors. You get a big, clear LED display so you can see the time from across the kitchen. Plus, the adjustable volume lets you choose a loud, soft, or even silent setting. Now you can focus on cooking without the stress of constant checking. Imagine perfectly timed meals every time. No more guessing. With the VOCO timer, you get perfectly cooked dishes and a more relaxed kitchen. It's all about making cooking simpler. Enlieber Mandolin Slicer Safe Vegetable Chopper. Struggling to get even slices when prepping veggies? Knife work can be slow and unsafe. This N-Lieber mandolin slicer makes it simple. It features adjustable blades for perfect thickness, julienne, or dicing. You get consistent, uniform slices fast. Imagine quickly making gratins or salads. Safety is key, protecting fingers from accidents. Now, think about presenting restaurant-quality dishes at home. This slicer saves prep time. It elevates your cooking. Finally, effortless, professional-looking meals. Prep perfectly in seconds. AUON clip-on silicone strainer. Ever spill pasta trying to drain it? The AUON clip-on strainer solves that. It clips right to your pots and pans. No more food transferring needed. The silicone design fits almost any size pot. Draining is now quick and spill-free. You can say goodbye to messy counters. It is also dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. Imagine rinsing veggies directly in the pot. Think how much easier cooking becomes. Saving time and less mess are the biggest wins. This gadget makes kitchen tasks simple and cleaner. It's incredibly versatile. Honeycook Butter Knife Spreader. Struggling to evenly spread cold butter? The Honeycook Butter Knife Spreader solves that. It's an 8.7-inch stainless steel knife designed for effortless spreading. You get smooth, even coverage without tearing your bread. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip and control, making morning toast a breeze. Plus, this isn't just for butter. You can use it for cheese or jam too. Imagine perfectly spread cream cheese on your bagel. No more clumps or ripped bread. The Honeycook Butter Knife Spreader makes breakfast and baking quicker and neater, a small upgrade with a big impact. Liberhouse Kitchen Scissors. Ever struggle cutting veggies? The Liberhouse Kitchen Scissors could be your answer. These 2-in-1 scissors combine blades and a cutting board. You get clean, quick cuts every time, ideal for meal prep. The stainless steel blades slice through tomatoes, herbs, even cheese with ease. The comfort grip design makes longer tasks simple. The built-in safety lock secures it while not in use. Imagine faster meal prep without multiple tools.